People development is something that's very dear to my heart. I'm very passionate about growing our own talent and developing our own talent. We approach this in many different ways.
I was looking for a job between my second and third year at Kingston University, and I found that Reveal were looking for a marketing intern just to help them out doing a few bits over the summer. And then that turned into a full-time role when I'd graduated. I'm now a manager. Now my responsibility to not only sort of produce things for the team, but to manage the team as well.
I joined just fresh out of uni, so I was trying to learn how to be in a work environment, getting used to the software product, which was very interesting but also very demanding in a growing market. Now I'm doing the head of software development.
My career progression within Reveal came from a need to fulfill that role within the company. I volunteered for the role, and it was seen that, yes, I could do the job.
For me, there's been some great development around people, investing in people, broadening their roles and learning new skills.
Being fairly young when I joined Reveal, they were keen to sort of allow me to progress my career here, and I put an idea forward to them, and that was the Open University degree, and they were really supportive straight from the off, offered to sponsor the degree and have done ever since.
So what next for Reveal? The future is very exciting. We're investing a lot of time in our people, but also the technology.
I really enjoy working for a company that is ambitious and really investing in my professional development.
Throughout the years, Reveal has really supported me, always given me the right training.
I've thoroughly enjoyed my time at Reveal and hope that I'm going to be here for a long time more.
We are looking for people to come and join us who want to start a career and want new opportunities. So really exciting times ahead.